This figure shows the summary of the data flow diagram rules. So the one on the left is the correct rules for the data flow diagram, and then the one on the right is the incorrect data flow diagram. So basically this is a summary of the rules. So a data can flow between process, from process to entity, or vice versa, from process to data store, or from data store to process. But the data cannot flow from entity to entity, or from entity to data store, or from data store to data store. So this figure shows all the rules that we need to follow when we're making a data flow diagram.